Hi, my name is Carlos Balbuena, and this is my homework. The Haití earthquake of 2010 was registered on Tuesday, January 12, with epicenter 15 kilometers from Port-au-Prince, the capital of Haiti. According to the United States Geological and Survey, the earthquake had a magnitude of 7.0 and was generated at a depth of 10 kilometers. A series of replicas were also recorded, the strongest being 5.9, 5.5, and 5.1. NOAA now warned of the danger of a tsunami in the area. Although hours later, it was reported that a tsunami of minimal proportions was registered and killed 4 people. This earthquake has been the strongest recorded in the area since the event in 1770. The earthquake was noticeable in neighboring countries such as Cuba, Jamaica, and the Dominican Republic, where it caused fear and preventive evacuations. The effects caused on this country, the poorest of America at that time, were devastating. The body's record as of January 25 exceeded 1,015, and it was estimated that the death toll would exceed 2,000. The final data of those effects were released by Prime Minister Jim Mattis, believed in the first anniversary of the earthquake on January 12. It is one of the most serious humanitarian catastrophes in history. An earthquake shook her in 1751 when she was under French control, and another earthquake in 1770 of 7.5 on the Richter scale devastated Port-au-Prince completely. According to the French historian Moreau de Saint-Méry, no building suffered damage in Port-au-Prince during the earthquake of October 18, 1751. The entire city collapsed during the earthquake of June 3, 1770.